Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and I am standing in the middle of my room with this big old box because this is my Christmas tree. I am super excited. Today we are going to decorate my tree and put it together. This is my first ever tree I've bought myself, and I'm so excited. It is 6.5 feet, white and pre-lit, and it is going to be perfect. So I'm gonna start assembling this bee. Okay, so we got a piece here, we got a piece here, and we got another piece. God, this thing is only 3 pieces. That is amazing. So growing up, I was the one in charge of putting up the tree every year because we always had a fake tree, because the one year we had a real tree, my cat Tony climbed it and knocked it down, and we came home on Christmas Eve and our tree was on the ground and we had ornaments broken. So then after that we went with just a fake tree so we didn't have to worry about it anymore. So it was always my job to put together, and the one we had was a million tiny pieces that I had to put together. To be 3 hours every year, so 3 pieces. This is dope. Okay, yeah, easy assembly, yes. Okay, that goes. I'm gonna build a little stand they have here. It's all just plastic. Put that. Which one is the bottom piece? Is there even directions? There's no directions. Who needs directions? It's 3 pieces. Okay. I'm kind of sorry I can't get a full body thing. One, I don't have the correct lens for it, and I just can't figure out where to put my camera so it works better. This is the best view I can get you. I hope you're okay with that. But right now I'm just putting the legs on the tree. I can do that. Alright, so the tree is up and now it's time to fluff. But I'm not gonna lie, that tree stand was the bane of my existence. It would not stay together. I was dying. I was please just hold it up. I literally dropped the tree 5 times. But now we're gonna do my favorite part, which is to fluff it up and make it look all tree-ish. Alright, so the tree is all fluffed and ready to go, and I am so happy I bought the pre-lit tree because putting lights on trees are the bane of my existence, and I've gotten shocked doing it before, and I'm just, no, I don't want to deal with that extra stress in my life. And literally it looks like funfetti. How can I not? I love it, I love it, I love it. So now we're gonna put on some garland. And at Target I got this bluey pastel-y goodness garland, so that's what we're gonna use. So I got 2, so I hope that's enough. I'm just gonna wrap her around. Honestly, one. I'm actually really happy I went with the blue tinsel rather than the pink, because I really like how this is looking, and since I have so many pink ornaments, I really think it'll be a really nice contrast with that. Let me fix that up a little bit. So now that the tinsel's on, looking cute, looking great, we can start adding ornaments. I'm so excited. And I'm going to start with older ornaments that I have instead of going straight into the ones I just bought, because I want to kind of talk about some of them. This one is my all-time favorite ornament, and I've had it since I was probably 2 years old. It is this Mickey ornament. It's a little bell. And I used to keep this in my room year-round because I love it. It's from Disney World. It's from one of my earliest childhood trips, and I just, this is literally my favorite ornament I have, and I love it so much, and so it's always the first one I put on my tree every year. Put it right here. Some other Disney ornaments that I have are this really pretty Aurora that my grandma got me, and my mom got me this Cinderella glass slipper for my birthday. It's really pretty. And then of course I have Cinderella. I've had this ornament for a while. My grandma also got me this, and this one actually is kind of broken. It was a personalized one from Disney, and it's a Minnie Mouse. I just used to have my name hanging down, but that's okay. So these are my Disney ones, so I'm going to start adding those to the tree. No, no, no. Alright guys, so we had our first casualty. my old owl ornament broke. It was a little owl wearing glasses and he broke and I'm really sad. I've had this since high school, but I guess it's time to say goodbye because you can't really fix ornaments. So, bye Mr. Owl. I'm sorry. I failed you. Moving on, I got another shoe. I don't know why I have so many shoes, but okay. I love shoes, I guess. Up next is one I bought myself, and it's just like this really cute piece of cherry pie. Like, how freaking adorable is that? Like, it's a cute, cute, cute. Now we have my Kylo Ren ornaments. I love them. One's for my sister, one's for my mom. And this one has little lightsaber glows, so like that's really cool. You guys don't know, I really love Kylo Ren. He is my #1 husbando. He is my favorite. So we're gonna put him on the tree. I'll put him down here. And we'll put this one up here. Like, if I could have like 20 more Kylo Ren ornaments, I'd be okay. And then I'm going to have this little Dunkin' Donuts one that my grandma bought me because, again, donuts are life. Put you over here. Up next, we have this cute little Hello Kitty. This is another one I've had since high school. It's gone on my tree with the family trees and everything. You know, super cute stuff. Hello Kitty, Japan, Kawaii, yas. We'll put you over here. Alright, so Camera Giants, we're back at it, and the next few things are just old ones I've had. There's a couple of like more cupcakes and little sweets that people have gifted me. These are super cute, and then I have this set my parents bought me last year, and it's just a bunch more sweets, more donuts and cupcakes and lollipops and all that fun stuff because that's what I am all about. So I'm going to put those, I think I'm going to do those ones last because those are like filler ones, and then I'm going to go in with my ones I bought that you saw in the haul so I can get more stuff on the tree. So I have all the ornaments on and I'm super happy with how it's looking, and now I'm going to put on my tree topper, which I'm really excited about. I glitterified this Kylo Ren mask and I thought it'd be the perfect tree topper because I just honestly couldn't find anything that was actually calling to me. So I thought, why not make my own? And now we have Kylo Ren up on top of the tree. Oh my god, I love it. 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 I love it so much. It is perfect. It is literally perfection. I am obsessed. So now I'm going to add the tree skirt I made, and I'm going to try to bring you guys down. Let me see if this works. So we're down at the bottom of my tree. Low to my carpet. Okay. I'm going to add the final part of the tree skirt, which I made this myself, and I'm really happy with it. It's super cute and super on point with who I am as a person and like my whole like brand. So I'll put that in. This is tree skirt video. Alright, so this is how it looks underneath the tree. I am literally like obsessed. Like, look how freaking cute it is. Like, I love it. It's adorable. It's perfect. It's everything I wanted. It's perfect with the tree. I'm happy. Okay, so like I am really obsessed with my tree. It is like literally my dream tree. Like it is everything I wanted. I love it so much and I'm just really excited about it. And I think it looks super cute, and I'm gonna really quickly show you guys what it looks like without the lights on, because that would just be really fun with all like the little all lit up. So we're gonna oh my god, look how pretty. It is so pretty. I love it. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look how pretty it looks. That's my tree. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, back to lights, because your girl's a little too excited. I just like, it makes me so happy. Like, look at it. We got the sparkly Kylo Ren, we got the candies, we got the little nerdy bits, and like, I have plenty of room to add more ornaments to buy, so that's really exciting because I just love ornaments so much. Look at this tree! I did this! I love it! I'm just really happy. I love this tree. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I would just be really proud of you guys. And also comment down below what your favorite ornament is, or like your dream ornament to find for your Christmas tree, because I would love to hear that. Thank you guys again so much. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!